Hello, Lodi. Good morning. How's your morning today? Come and join me, please. Thank you so much, Rachel. Shout out also to all my fans dear. Come and join now. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Over us only sky. Mountain all the people living for today. But there's no countries. It's insane hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. And religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday in between us and the world be as one. Mother, no positions. I wonder if you can. No need for it or hunger. Brotherhood of man. Mother, all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday in between us and the world was one. Thank you so much for joining, Lodi. We love you guys. Shout out the family life who like and enjoy this collaboration. And if you know this song, come and join. Thank you.